In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Amazon Prime Video. If you're eager to dive into Amazon's extensive library of movies and TV shows, but you're not sure how to start, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, making sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Amazon Prime Video website. Just type primevideo.com into the address bar and you'll be on your way. If you haven't visited this site before, you'll see various options and promotions right on the homepage. But for today, we're going to focus on getting your account set up. Once you're on the Prime Video homepage, look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to a sign-in page. Here you'll want to enter your email address. It's important that this is an email address you have access to, as you'll need it to verify your account later. After entering your email, the next step is to create your Amazon account. You should see an option to create your Amazon account on this page. Click on it and a registration form will pop up. This is where you'll input your personal details. First, type in your name, followed by your mobile number. Remember, this should be a number that can receive texts, as you'll be sent a one-time password or OTP to verify your registration. Then create a password. Make sure it's secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and